All right, we're on our way to another job. The owner of the house is taking me on another house that needs done. His friend. So join me. Join me. This is outstanding. One house right into another. God is good, boy. God is good. I like that sticker. I'd rather be deer hunting. And that sums it up.
When I left today, I went to put corn out in my deer stand.
Oh yeah? What, you gonna hunt out right and back in your house? Oh, okay. It's probably not as big as what you're used to seeing. Hello.
How you doing there?
All right. Yes.
Yeah, I saw you last
yeah, right. I remember. Did you want this outside or just in and out or?
In and out.
In and out. Okay. I'm gonna walk around and count the windows up. Well, I don't need to come in.
I need them all done.
Oh, only certain ones?
Well, right here.
The top and bottom in the front?
Yeah.
Okay.
4, 6,
2,
7.
4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. That's 15.
Are you counting ones up top?
Yeah, I counted them. Yeah. All right. We walk around back with you. Okay, that's the garage or something. No dogs, right?
Not right now. My son's got them out.
Oh, okay.
He's friends with you.
Oh, all right. What about these? These
5
two?
windows here.
All right.
2. 3 more. That, and that, not those 2.
Okay.
That room we don't really use.
From that refrigerator on over?
That.
That little window above that?
Yeah, don't even worry.
No?
Yeah. Yeah, do that too.
Okay. Outside only or in and out? Or you just want the outside of the front and maybe this in and out or something? Well, you still got time to think, however you want to do it. But let's see, 15, 16, 17.
I think it's mostly out. To be honest, it's mostly out. We don't smoke or anything.
Okay.
So there's no
Well,
it's mainly outside.
If you decide once we clean it, then you could really see if you should go ahead. We'll play it like that. That way you'll see. Oh well, I think if we clean it, or I can clean one, no extra charge, and then you can really see the difference if you should go ahead and worry about doing any more. But if we go that route, I would just need access to the windows is all. If you have anything on the ledges and stuff. All right, so I got the job. He just wants the front of his house, which is about 15 windows, and then a few in the back. So I charge him $80, just the outside. It'll take me 1-2 zip with the water-fed Wagtail, and I charge him $80. That guy gave me a tip, man. He gave me a tip. So I went from making $80 to making $90 because he wanted a few more windows clean, and then he gave me $10 tip. So that's not the end though. Check this out. So I have a bag of something that he gave me. In this bag, I have Donner, Blitzen, Prancer, Rudolph. Look at that, man. Yo, chip steak, man. And he's got a mutton in here. A big hunk of, I'm gonna throw that in the crock pot with some, is that ground beef? Oh, I can make deer burgers with Asiago cheese. Man, or some Gouda cheese. Look at that, man. Woo! I'm gonna be heaven. I'm in heaven. So that's my tip, man. Some deer meat. Yo, this guy go hunting every year. and he's got the deer on his wall to prove it. I went into his living room. It looked like goddamn Woodsy the Owl living in there. It's very woodsy. He got half a tree trunks in there. He's got this deer up on a pedestal. I mean, a big mamma jamma. I mean, this guy is huge. And he didn't shoot that one, but he said, turn around. He had about 12 deer on his wall, no lie. And they were all good size, man. He killed them all. Man, you gotta love it when customers bless you like that, man. Now that's what I'm talking about. Marvelous. Simply marvelous, darling. Trivia question. What movie was that from? Marvelous. You gotta be an old head and old school to know where that came from. Marvelous. Simply you look marvelous, darling. Simply marvelous. Marvelous.